why not we embrace our artistic side just a little bit, shall we? Just a little bit. You ever seen a man with a pipe try and follow a Bob Ross tutorial before? You're about to. We're gonna go with the sunset.
Let's do it. We'll
we
start
doing?
with our little tiny 2-inch brush today. I'll go right into a small amount.
2 inch? I think it's kind of average. Actually, I think it's a little bit more than average. What do you mean 2 inches? I don't have something that big, Bob. What color is that? Is that peanut butter? What is that? What is that?
Of the Indian yellow.
Indian yellow. Does that look like Indian to you? Looks like mustard to me.
Just do something like that.
Something like that, right, Bob?
Without cleaning the brush, I'll go right into a little bit of yellow ochre.
What? Yellow, huh? I only got one kind of yellow, Bob. What are these you're making up colors. Man, that 2 inches of his is doing a lot more than mine. I'm just gonna let the painting speak to me, right? Here, let's take a little bit of yeller. Let's put that yeller down there, and then we're gonna add a little bit of black to it, right? Because it's like a darker yellow, I think.
Once again, without cleaning the brush,
oh,
a little touch of the bright red.
Ooh, I have red. A little bit in here. Ooh, yeah, that looks good. Uh-huh. Yeah, that looks great. I like my version a lot better, Bob.
That's pretty already.
Thank you. I really tried, Bob.
Now then, let's do the rest of the sky in, let's use a lavender color.
Okay.
I just want to sort of dance this around a little bit. Just let it play and bounce. Here and there and there and here.
Bob's feeling himself. Look at him. Hey, Macarena. Hey, Macarena. Hey, Macarena, Macarena. Yeah, dancing. Woo. That's not too bad. Doesn't look awful. Bob, I don't have anything to beat my brush on. I just want to beat my meat, but not my brush.
Let's have a big cloud.
Okay, hold on.
I'm gonna go into the titanium white, put a little bright red with it.
Oh,
shoot,
okay.
Let's make a firecracker. It just sort of floats around, has a good time all day.
Uh-huh. I'm letting my clowns have fun. I'm letting them go wherever they want.
I'm gonna put at least a little touch of
We're not using that at all.
that bright red on there.
Wait, red?
A little bit of bright red and white again. And maybe up here in our sky, let's just put, while we have this old brush working so well, let's just put the indication of some little floaters around in here. But isn't that brush fantastic for doing things like that?
Nope, not at
You
all.
can paint right over that fern.
It's not great, actually. Bob, I gotta be honest, it's not looking too good.
All right, let's do this. Let's put a nice dark cloud in here. That contrast will, it'll sparkle. It'll
I
absolutely
already have one of those,
sparkle.
Bob. I'm way ahead of you.
Let's take some pure titanium white. Maybe in our world, maybe the sun lives right behind that big cloud there.
Beautiful. Wait, that's the wrong color.
So we're just working in layers. I want this cloud to look like it's in front of that. And let's just put some of that nice lavender color down here.
Wait, you're getting way too far ahead, buddy. I'm still working on my bottom. Just a little bit of blending here, like Bob said. Now I'm really feeling the painting, Bob. It's really speaking to me, all right? I'm feeling it.
You just sort of adjust the color till it's what you want.
Bob, what if you don't know what you want?
And let's have a little mountain.
Can I
This
make
little mountain.
Can I make the mountain without the
Way
knife?
Back here, almost to the edge of nowhere.
Firmly. Okay.
And then just blend the base of it out. So all you see, alizarin crimson, much more crimson than blue. Put a little black in there. Maybe even a little Van Dyke brown. I like that too.
What are these? Bob, speak
Cut
English
off a
to
little
me.
roll of, I like to paint big mountains and
Bob likes 2
I'll
inches
just
and
let
big
a mountain
mountains.
get- Put a little bit of highlight. I'll use a little bit of that bright
Highlight?
red, little white.
Bob, I feel like you're
zoom
using
right across
too
there.
many colors.
Tiny little amount. Maybe in our world we have a little. Yep. Just
little
touch,
what?
pull down. Maybe there's just a little footy hill that lives back here,
Okay.
right below that mountain.
You know, Bob, I don't like yours as much, you know?
Take some black, Prussian blue,
Uh-huh.
some Van Dyke brown, dark, rich colors. Let me clean
Bob,
the old knife.
I'm running out of colors, my guy. I shouldn't use this brush.
There is
Oh,
no.
no. Okay, hold on.
Maybe there's a little tree, happy little tree.
We're gonna use
He
this
lives
brush
right
instead.
There he comes. This would be very dark, though. With this kind of sky,
Yeah,
you'd
you're
almost
right, it
have
is.
silhouettes here. Very dark. Put down here. I'm gonna have some reflections in the water. Just take the brush, pull straight down, go across. Instant reflections. Put in a little bit of land for him to settle. What the heck?
What? Okay.
I like a old tree here and there.
Are we doing more
Maybe
trees?
in our world, there's a couple of trees live right there.
Okay.
Now there's 3.
In my world, it's gonna be a little different.
Big one. Gotta have one big tree. There. There we go. Big old tree. Big strong tree. He lives right up here. Looks out over this gorgeous scene.
My trees are technically in front of my sun.
Like that.
Do you think that's an issue?
Bush lives
Yes.
right there.
I'm gonna put bushes in? Bob.
A lot of nice bushy areas.
Don't talk about my bush.
Really and truly, you can just put anything in here. I just wanted to show you mainly today how to do a fantastic sky. Very easy, very quick. I'll take a 1-inch brush.
1 inch, now we're talking about.
Looking for a clean brush again.
Yeah, me too.
I'm gonna take a little sap green, a little yellow ochre. This is cad yellow, and we'll come right along in here. Some little highlights, green.
You did this, I think?
Same thing over
I think I
here.
used a little too much yellow on mine. My tree is now yellow.
Okay, put a little of that green on a fan brush here. And I'm just gonna put the indication here and there. Not much, not much.
Not much, Bob, that's a
little
lot.
more.
Do I have green?
Just to finish up the little painting.
Oh, I do.
As I say, the big thing in this painting is a gorgeous sky. I hope you try it, because you'll
Yeah,
like
it's
it.
so gorgeous, Bob.
From all of us here, I'd like to wish you happy painting, and God bless, my friend.
Bob, I'm not done. I'm not done, Bob. Where'd you get all this green from? Hold on. I'm not done. I'm not done. It looks like a whale coming in from the ocean. Where'd you see a whale? Isn't it beautiful? This is when you're trying to be sunshine in life, but there's always something dark holding you back. I have to come up with something to make it look, you know, to make it make sense. To be honest, it looks so much better in my OBS screen. It looks like actually really, really good. But looking at it front on, looks like ass. I say we'll start the bidding at 500 million. It's not about the money, you know, it's just about being able to like express myself. Bye bye painting!